Today I'm going to be sharing with you what quick release means when you read a recipe and what natural pressure release means when you read a recipe. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson. I own the website 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. I share Instant Pot recipes with you and slow cooker recipes with you for every day of the year. Visit my blog at 365daysofcrockpot.com. Here on YouTube, I share with you tips, tricks, recipes about the Instant Pot. And today I'm going to be sharing with you something very basic, but something that is needful and to understand, and that is the pressure release on your Instant Pot. I'm going to teach you what it means when you read a recipe and it says natural pressure release, and what it means when it says quick release, and what it means when it says wait 5 minutes and then release. I'm just going to be sharing with you all of these things so that you know exactly what to do when you're reading that Instant Pot recipe. Let's get started. So I put in 2 cups of water just to kind of show you what it looks like, but this could be roast or chicken or whatever you have in your Instant Pot. Then the lid goes on. Click it into place. You'll see that on your Instant Pot, it might look different, but it's going to have a venting thing and then a sealing thing. You always want to send it over to sealing instead of venting. And it's pretty loose, so that's normal. Don't freak out. So setting it to sealing, and then you see this thing here that's pushed all the way down, that little metal button. When the pressure is built, it's going to be flush with this right here. So I'm going to set this manual, and I'm just going to say, let's cook it for 1 minute. So the button will switch over to the on setting. And at this point, what is happening in the pot is that the pot is building the pressure. Now, it's not immediate. It's going to take about 10 minutes. So let's look at the clock right now. It says 1:27. So about 1:37, it's going to have the pot will have built the pressure, and then it will start counting down, and it will say 1 minute because that's what we set it for, and it will start counting down that 1 minute. All right, the pot is counting down from 1 minute. You can see there that the valve is flush now. It's popped up. That means the pressure inside of the pot has built, and it is 1:34. So it wasn't quite 10 minutes. It was about 7 minutes that the pot built the pressure. So whenever you see the L in front of the pot, that you know your pressure cook time is up. This just means lapsed time since the pressure cooking time is up. And so it will start counting up now, and it is switched over. You can see that this little button here is illuminated, meaning that it's on the keep warm setting. So when you read a recipe and it says you can quick release the food, it just means that once that time is up, like when it says L000, you can move the valve from sealing to venting very quickly to let the pressure release. When it says natural pressure release, it means that you wait. You wait until this goes down on its own, which can take several minutes. In some cases, depending on how full the pot is, it can take up to 30 minutes. Now, the reason that you'd want it to naturally pressure release is because some foods do not benefit when the pressure escapes quickly. It ruins the meat. It makes it very tough. But on the other hand, for some recipes, quick release. Let's say you're making pasta and you don't want it to get overdone. A quick release might be okay in that case. Other times there'll be recipes that say wait 5 minutes and then quick release. That's what I do a lot of the time. I let the pressure kind of come down a little bit so that you don't get the foaming and the sputtering out of the valve. And then after 5 minutes, you move it over to venting, or after 10 minutes, or whatever the recipe says. 7 minutes later, the valve is still up and we're waiting for it to go down. The thing about the Instant Pot too that you should know is that it will make no sound or beep indication when that valve goes down. You will just see it, or you'll simply be able to open the pot. Right now, the Instant Pot has so many safety mechanisms on it that I physically cannot open the pot because there's too much pressure inside and it would be dangerous.
You can see that the float valve dropped.
And you'll now be physically able to open. But sometimes when you get done cooking something and you try to put the lid back on, it won't let you. Have you ever noticed that? It gets stuck. It kind of locks into place. Like it's not letting me. So what you have to do is you just have to kind of just keep kind of trying to click it over. And eventually it will let you. You just kind of have to keep trying. Let's see. All right, I'm going to show you what a quick release is. So I'm going to put it to sealing. Again, I'm going to set the timer 1 minute. The pot has built the pressure and counted down from that 1 minute pressure cooking time. And now we're ready to go. So if you have a recipe that says perform a quick release, this is how you do it. You go over here, you move the valve from sealing to venting. And the valve is dropped. We're now able to open the Instant Pot. If you're an Instant Pot beginner, I'm going to put some articles in my notes below that might help you. I've written lots of different things and shared lots of different things along the way that help beginners get started with their Instant Pot. I will see you next week on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like and comment on this post.